E44 electric locomotive, a classic from the ROCO range. Almost 200 locomotives of the E44 electric locomotive series were put into service between 1932 and 1954. The 4-axle bogie locomotives had an output of around 2,200 kilowatts and a top speed of 90 kilometers per hour. The locomotives proved themselves both in front of passenger trains and freight trains. Some locomotives were equipped with a reversible train control system and used in suburban traffic in conurbations. The machine has also been an integral part of the ROCO range for decades. Reason enough to develop the model almost entirely from scratch. Among the most striking details are the finely detailed and correctly reproduced bogies and the elaborately recreated engine room and driver's cab. The newly developed SBS-10 pantograph is an absolute highlight. It is invisibly mounted on the roof and impresses with its delicate springs. All details have been correctly reproduced. The lamp sockets and sandboxes correspond to the prototype. Of course, the digital versions leave nothing to be desired. At the touch of a button, the finely detailed engine room and driver's cab are illuminated. The driver's cab rear wall also impresses with its elaborate printing. A new feature from ROCO is the sound design, which offers a special soundscape with 2 loudspeakers. The running noise is naturally synchronized with the running speed. This guarantees lots of fun on your model railway layout at home.